Hey there. Struggling with sluggish internet on your Netgear Nighthawk MR6110 You are not alone. The Nighthawk MR6110 is a powerhouse for delivering blazing fast 5G connectivity, but sometimes even the best devices need a little troubleshooting. Whether you're dealing with frustrating buffering during your favorite shows or lagging video calls, we're here to help you boost your internet speed. In this guide, we'll explore practical steps to fix slow internet speed on your Netgear Nighthawk MR6110 5G and ensure a smoother, more reliable connection. Step 1. Check network congestion. Start by assessing the network traffic. Slow speeds can often arise from too many devices connected at once. Make sure to disconnect devices that are not currently in use. Prioritize essential devices by setting quality of service rules in your Nighthawk settings to allocate bandwidth more effectively. Step 2. Optimize router placement. The physical location of your router can impact performance. Position your Nighthawk router in a central location in your home to ensure even coverage. Avoid placing the router near potential obstructions like walls, metal objects, or other electronics that can interfere with signal strength. Step 3. Update firmware. Stay ahead of the curve by keeping your firmware up to date. Log into your Netgear account and check if there are any updates available for your Nighthawk MR6110. Regular updates can include performance enhancements and bug fixes that may improve your internet. Step 4. Adjust router settings. Delve into your router settings for a comprehensive tune-up. Navigate to the advanced settings and try switching channels to find one with less interference. Consider enabling features like beamforming, which focuses the Wi-Fi signal directly towards your devices for a stronger connection. Step 5. Conduct speed tests. Verify the results of your efforts with speed tests. Run tests at different times of the day to determine when your speeds dip. Use tools like Ookla Speed Test to compare your speed results with your internet plan's advertised speed. Step 6. Contact your internet service provider. Sometimes the issue might be out of your hands. Reach out to your internet service provider to see if there are any known outages or technical issues in your area. Inquire if your current plan is the best fit for your internet usage needs. By following these steps, you can address many of the common causes of slow internet speed on your Netgear Nighthawk MR6110 5G and enjoy a faster, more seamless online experience. Remember, sometimes the simplest adjustments like optimizing router placement or updating firmware can make the biggest difference. Keep testing your speed and don't hesitate to reach out for professional support if needed. Happy browsing and enjoy the uninterrupted internet connection you deserve.